Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Halloween Spotlight Challenge and get the rewards in DTI. So this new update on Roblox actually. So on certain games, you'll find the Halloween Spotlight where you can get rewards on each game by joining the challenge. But here on DTI, if you want to join one, here you can just click on this Halloween Spotlight on your right of your screen, and you'll see this Hall of Fame challenge. So what you need to do is just click on this button called Halloween Spotlight. So you need to complete this challenge. First, you need to play 2 rounds only using the new Halloween items. And the next one is beat the Lena quest. So you need to complete the previous task to unlock it. So what you need to do first is just complete this one first. So regardless of the theme, I suggest you to just use the items from this update, this Halloween updates, which include all of this except the shoe, because this is like pretty old and not new. Also this items in here, and this baseball bat is not new, and also the knife. So you can just use all of these items. You need to use all of these items except the tree in here to quickly get the rewards. So, and just for example, in here I'm going to put on this shoe and also this raincoat in here. So you can just use this, for example. For the accessory, you can also get the flattened eyes in here. So you can just complete the challenge using this outfit, and after that the reward will be completed. But you need to play at least 2 rounds, and after that, after you complete this, you need to beat the Lena quest if you haven't, and you'll get the Halloween Spotlight reward. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.